Hey everybody, it's another session of Warm Water with Kenny. I have my son Ryan here with me again today. We're going to try an old gospel song. Roy Acuff did this song, made this song famous, and then he performed it for almost 50 years at the Grand Ole Opry. It's called The Great Speckled Bird. It goes like this. I'm thinking concerning that great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded in the pages of God's holy word. With all other birds against her, and she is despised by the squad. And that great speckled bird in the Bible represents you, the great Church of God. She is spreading her wings for a journey she is going to take by and by. When that great trumpet sounds in the morning, she will meet her dear Lord in the sky. Take it, son. Churches against her, they envy her glory and fame. They hate her because she is chosen and has never denied his dear name, desiring to lower her standards. They watch every move that she makes. They love to find fault with her teachings, but they really can find no mistakes. That's why she's spreading her wings for a journey she's going to take by and by. When that great trumpet sounds in the morning, she'll meet her dear Lord in the sky. Make that bird fly, son. Shelter men of all nations, of earth's every color and race. She's gathered them all in her keeping to present to the Lord face to face. When Christ cometh descending from heaven on a cloud as he writes in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. Make her fly again, boy. Oh yeah. Oh, she's spreading her wings for a journey she's going to take by and by. When that great trumpet sounds in the morning, she will meet her dear Lord in the sky. Yeah, she will meet her dear Lord in the sky. Ryan, do you have anything else to add to that?
Me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on a Jupiter or Mars. In other words, let's song. Thank you.
That's it. On Warm Water with Kenny and Ryan. There you have Fly Me to a Tad of Fly Me to the Moon, along with the gray speckled bird. Be blessed, everyone.